What if one appliance could transform every meal you cook in under 15 minutes? Most people buying an air fryer get it completely wrong. They buy too big, waste counter space, and end up reheating sad leftovers. If you are cooking for just 1 or 2 people, you need a machine built for your life, not a family of 6. Today we break down the absolute best small air fryers with real picks, real results, and zero guesswork. Stay with us because the right choice will change how you cook every single day. Here's the problem nobody talks about. Most air fryers sold today are built for families of 4 or more. A 10-quart machine for one person is overkill, full stop. It heats unevenly, hogs precious counter space, and burns more electricity than you will ever need. Worse, small households end up underfilling the basket, which kills crispiness and wastes energy every single cook. You are essentially paying more to get worse food. You deserve a machine sized exactly for your cooking habits. Not too big, not too small, exactly right. The solution is simpler than you think. A compact, purpose-built air fryer for 1 or 2 people delivers faster preheat times, crispier results, and a fraction of the counter footprint. The team at AirFryerGuidance has tested and researched the top options across every price point and feature set. Their mission is straightforward: cook faster, eat healthier. Today we are sharing their top picks so you can choose with total confidence and stop second-guessing every product page you land on. Let us get into the specifics right now. First up, the AirCrisp Technology Basket-Style Air Fryer. This machine uses 400-degree superheated air that completely surrounds your food on all sides. The result is a hot, crispy exterior with a juicy interior every single time. The 5-quart non-stick basket fits up to 4 pounds of French fries or 5 pounds of chicken wings. That is genuinely impressive capacity without a large footprint. For 1 or 2 people, this size hits the sweet spot perfectly. Cleanup takes under 2 minutes thanks to the dishwasher-safe non-stick crisper plate. A simple, reliable, high-performing pick. Next, the Cosori TurboBlaze Technology Air Fryer. This is a serious upgrade for anyone who wants speed and precision in a compact body. Cosori's TurboBlaze system delivers a powerful 3,600 revolutions per minute motor that pushes air faster than standard models. That means quicker air circulation, faster preheat, and noticeably crispier food in less time. For a 1 or 2 person household, this is a genuine game changer. You will be eating in minutes, not watching a timer tick down. If you want cutting-edge performance in a compact form factor, the Cosori TurboBlaze is one of the strongest options available today. Third on the list, Cosori's unique 5-fan speed system air fryer. This model features precise temperature control ranging from 90 degrees all the way up to 450 degrees. The 5-fan speed system delivers perfectly even cooking across every dish, every texture, every time you use it. Whether you are dehydrating strawberries at low heat or blasting shrimp to a crisp at high speed, this machine handles it all without any guesswork. For 1 or 2 people who cook a wide variety of foods regularly, this level of precision control makes a significant difference in your daily results and overall satisfaction. Finally, the 14-in-1 versatile air fryer oven. This powerhouse combines 7 dedicated air fry modes, including fries, chops, and shrimp. The 26-quart oven-style capacity sounds large, but this unit comes packed with a full accessory set: wire rack, bake pan, fry basket, rotisserie fork, and 10 skewers included. That is serious value in one box. For 2 people who love variety and batch cooking on weekends, this single machine replaces multiple appliances entirely. No more cluttered cabinet of gadgets you rarely use. It is the most versatile pick on this list by a wide margin. AirFryerGuidance is not just another review site pumping out generic content. Their team digs deep into real-world specs, hands-on performance, and genuine user experience before recommending anything to their readers. They cover top-rated air fryers, healthy cooking tips, detailed air fryer recipes, head-to-head comparisons, and even the best frozen foods for air fryer cooking. Every single guide is built to help real people make smarter buying decisions faster. Thousands of readers visit AirFryerGuidance every month to cut through the noise and find the appliance that genuinely fits their kitchen and their life. You now know exactly what to look for in a small air fryer for 1 or 2 people. Whether you want the crispy power of Air Crisp technology, the raw speed of TurboBlaze, the precision of Cosori's 5-fan system, or the full versatility of a 14-in-1 oven, there is a perfect pick ready for your kitchen right now. Head to AirFryerGuidance.com today for the full breakdown, side-by-side comparisons, and expert recommendations on every model we covered. Drop your questions in the comments below, and subscribe now for new air fryer guides every single week.